try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.
So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Puvu Convict, and in this video I'm going to clear up a common area of confusion among many bloggers, the schema markup. Specifically, we'll walk through how to generate it correctly and way to paste it within your website. So here, many bloggers unknowingly follow misleading advice provided by the creators who lack of proper coding knowledge, which leads to incorrect implementation. That's exactly why I'm making this video, to help you avoid these mistakes and apply schema markup the right way. Before that, what is schema markup? If you are curious to understand schema markup in depth, what it is, how it works, and why it's important, I've already created a dedicated video on the topic. You will find the link in the top right card and in the description below. In that video, I break down each line of schema code and explain its role in improving search visibility and search engine optimization. Or if you're just here to learn how to generate schema markup and way to paste it properly on your blog, stick around. I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. So, to generate the schema markup, we have many ways. For example, open up your browser and search for the schema markup generator, and I will go with the first one. So, what is the information do you need to generate a schema markup is, first you can select here the purpose of your schema. Is it an event or a frequently asked question page or breadcrumbs? In this case, we are mostly blogger confusions, right? So I will go with the article. In the article section, you will find, is it a news article or a blog posting? Blog posting, I'll select this, and before that it asks for the URL. Whatever the post URL you're going to generate the schema markup for. So this is my blog post. So I would like to copy this link and paste it here. I'm sorry, remove this Google. It's an ad, I think. Yeah, okay, remove that. Okay, the headline, what is the heading of your post? Behaviors of toxic relationships. Let me add that here. The image URL, it asks for the featured image URL. What is the featured image in your post? In this case, I use my thumbnail as a featured image. That is the featured image inside my blog post. Copy image address, go here and paste your image URL and the image description. I would like to go with a search description of my blog post. You can add whatever the description you want to write here. You can manually write, or else you can copy and paste. And the next, the author type, person. Here you can write down your name, Puvu Convict, and the author's URL. This might be your about us page or something else, or about you. So I'm going to add that. Here I have my links. So I'm going to add the author's note here. Add that, and the publisher. I kept my publisher name, Puvu Convict Entertainments, and the publisher logo URL. You can upload your logo image anywhere in the net and copy that image address and paste it over here, and this will be your logo to show in the snippets. And finally, the date you have published and the date you have modified. I'm keeping this both dates same. You can add accordingly. Then next, copy this and go to your post editor. So where to paste this schema markup inside your blog post. Here I would like to switch to हिंदी a little bit. मैंने YouTube पे देखा है एक बहुत बड़ा सिद्धांति ने बोला है कि जो भी पोस्ट के HTML क्लोजिंग टैग होता है ना, उसके बाद में ये सीधा पेस्ट कर देना है और उसके बाद सेव करना है. मैंने देखा है एक वीडियो में. So I would like to tell you guys what happens here if you paste after the HTML closing tag. So posting schema after closing tag of HTML on the blogger, Google will likely ignore it. Why? The closing tag of HTML is the absolute end of the HTML document. Any code after that is technically outside of the document and browsers ignore it. Search engines including the Google ignore it. It considered invalid HTML. Even the structured data process like Googlebot won't process it. So if you paste schema after the closing tag of HTML, it won't be read. It is as good as not adding it at all. इससे अच्छा तो ऐड नहीं करना ही बेहतर है. ठीक है. So I would like to give you another quick example over here. If you paste the schema markup inside the head tag, and yes, it will be passed by the Google, best place for the most schema. And if you paste it inside the body tag, yes, it is also passed by the Google, but okay for some types like a fact, frequently asked questions, or a recipe or a product. But after closing of HTML tag, no, it will not passed by the Google. Do not add it's invalid and ignore. So what is the best place to add the schema markup is remove this, go to your head tag. Yeah, before closing the head tag, you can add your schema markup. Why? Because your head tag contains all the metadata of your blog post. So this is the best place to place the schema markup, and it will be definitely passed by the Google bots and every browser. And then next, I would like to mention some limitations of this schema markup inside your blog post. So here it is not global. Schema inside the post only applies to that particular post, not your entire site. If you have posted the schema markup for this particular post, it is only applies for this post only, but it's not for your entire blog. And harder to manage. You will need to manually add schema to each and every post, which is inefficient. And when you should do it, if you want a custom schema per post, for example, frequently asked questions, recipes, products, and when you don't want to edit the theme, then only you can add the schema markup per post manually. And one more thing I would like to mention, if you want the schema markup other than these generators, what will you do? Let me show you. Let me refresh this. Oh, it's still coming. Okay, no problem. You can simply go to any AI platform and paste the link and ask the AI, can you please give me the schema markup for this blog post, and boom, that's it. It automatically generates the schema markup for your blog post. That's it. Copy it and see, it is also posted the featured in my logo. That's awesome. And this is also one method. If you like to do it, you can ask the AI tool, take the help from the AI tools, and conclude yourself whether it is right way or wrong way which is you're going to implement. So don't follow the fake content in YouTube. And then next, whatever we did is just the schema markup for particular post. What if you want the global schema? Let's get into it. Let me open up my notepad editor, and here you can see this is the global schema markup for your blog. That which means you don't need to manually add the schema markup for every single post that you have uploaded. So here what does this global schema do is it will automatically generate the schema markup for every single post that you have upload or publish in your blog. So how to do it? You can ask the AI tools to give me the global schema markup file for my entire blog, and it will generate for you, or else I will give you the link in the description for this code. You can download and edit this as per your blog and then paste it. And here where you gonna paste it, this is the matter. So this is the global schema markup, right? If you copy it and go to your entire blog's theme and then go to customize, edit HTML, and inside your HTML you could search for the closing head tag. Here we got it. So here you can paste it. That's it, guys. This is the global schema markup, and this will automatically generate the schema markup for your every single post that you're going to publish in your blog. It will automatically generate the schema markup for that post. So for that, if you want the did you see here, let me explain you more clearly. Here we didn't mention our entire blog's link. For example, povoconvictentertainments.blogspot.com. So for that, if you want to combine with your blog, I will also give you this code link in the description. You can directly copy and edit as per your blog, and copy this and go to the theme, and just above this global schema, whatever we just pasted, and paste upon it. That's it. This simple. If you want also the search action, that if someone searches your blog post or something, anything else, for example, povoconvict.blogspot.com.search, search term is string, which means it will automatically bring up the post snippets and schema markup results inside the search. So copy this and paste it just above the what we did just now. So that's it, guys. This is how you can add the global schema markup to your blog. And here I would like to clearly explain you the global schema markup. What does it do? Here, if you see this code of line, the if condition date view is post. This code runs blog post pages, and it automatically pulls in the post title, description and the snippet, featured image, publisher date and last updated, your author and publisher info. So what you will achieve with global schema? It automatically injects the structured data schema per post, improves search engine optimization and the eligibility for the rich results, and never need to add the schema manually inside the post editor for every single post that you're going to publish. And simple, guys. And here generating the code or adding the schema markup into your theme or in the blog post, you might get confused. So what do you do here? I'm just erasing this. Let me confirm this. Yeah, it's already fine. I've erased all this code. If you're confused by generating the schema, global schema or the post schema, and way to paste it, you can use the Google AI Studio for good practice. It will guide you step by step. If your English speaking is good enough, you can use the Google AI Studio. Let me give you a quick example of Google AI Studio. Simply you go to your browser and search for the Google AI Studio and then open it up. Then here you can find the option called stream. Here you can share your screen with lively with the AI. So share screen. I'm sharing my entire screen here. So share it. Hi Google AI Studio.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I need you to help me doing a task.
Okay, I'm ready to assist you. What can I help you with?
So look at my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you're working in a text editor with some code open. How can I help you with this?
Yeah, actually this is my global schema markup code that I need to paste into my blogger. So, but I don't know where to paste it. So could you please guide me step by step that I can do it correctly?
Sure, I can help with that. First, please go to your Blogger account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the theme section.
Yes.
Do you see that?
Yes.
Great. Under the theme section, look for a button that says Edit HTML and click on it. This will open the theme's code editor. Can you see that?
Yeah, it is like you see this orange button, right?
Yes.
Customize.
Click on that. Actually, above the Customize button, there should be a small arrow or drop-down menu. Click on that and you should see an option like Edit HTML. Please select that.
Yes, I got it. I did that.
Perfect. You should now see the theme code for your blog's theme. Now scroll down in the code until you find the closing head tag, which looks like /head. Can you locate that?
Okay, but here's a lot of code here, but how can I specifically find the closing of head tag?
You can use the search function in the code editor. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard and then type /head into the search bar. That should help you find it quickly.
Yes, I got it.
Great. Now place your cursor just before the closing head tag. This is where you will paste your schema markup code. Have you done that?
Wait, I'm copying my global schema markup and see here the closing head tag, and above that I'm going to paste here. Am I correct?
Yes, that's correct. Paste your schema markup code just before the closing /head tag. After you've pasted it, make sure to save the changes to your theme.
Okay, I did it. That's it?
Yes, that's the main step. By placing the schema markup code before the closing head tag, you ensure that it's included in your blog's header. Remember to save the changes.
Yes, I saved it, but I would like to know one more thing, that why do we need to place the schema markup inside the head tag?
Placing the schema markup within the head tag ensures that it's one of the first things search engine crawlers read when they access your page. This helps them understand the content of your page more effectively, which can improve your site's visibility in search results.
Oh, cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Nothing. Bye. Thank you.
Goodbye. Feel free to reach out if you need any more help in the future.
Sure.
Have a good day.
So that's it, guys. That's how you can take the help from the Google AI Studio and by sharing your screen live with a live stream. That's it, guys. never follow the fake content in the YouTube. Rather than that, okay, it's okay to watching videos on YouTube. It is more effective, you can understand better, but after doing that, you can take the help from the Google AI tools like ChatGPT or AI Studio or Copilot, whatever you're familiar with. So that's how you can learn very quickly. And whatever I told you is completely professional, and please subscribe my channel for more genuine content to improve yourself. And thanks for watching, guys. Keep learning. Bye bye.
Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to